Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we'll be looking at the top 3 maths exam tips. So let's go into the video. So the first tip is to always use the units, meaning always write the units at the end of your answer. So let's say your answer is 7.82 centimeters squared. Some people just leave it as 7.82, but sometimes there's also the mark for the units. So always remember to put the units whenever you're writing the answer. The second tip is to show necessary formulae. So let's say in your question, if you were going to use the area of a circle, which is obviously pi r squared, it's better to always show the formula so that you get that extra mark which they might give for the formula. And my final tip, and this is actually very important for GCSE exams, is to show the working. So if you are in primary, I don't think it matters that much whether you show the working or not, but in GCSE and IGCSE exams, it matters a lot that you show your working. So remember that as well. Okay guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, then please make sure to like and subscribe. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.